everyone, and welcome to another phonics video. Today's sound is going to be the O sound. O, 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 ow, 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 O. Fantastic. This O is O. Look, we've got a goat, and he's sitting in a boat. O, goat in a boat. O, goat in a boat. O, goat in a boat. Fantastic. Let's Fred talk some O words. R-O-D. Road. B-oat. Boat. K-oat. Coat. T-o-st. Toast. Yum. Fantastic. Let's see what O looks like. Our O is 2 letters and 1 sound. That means they are special friends. That's right. This is the O sound. We have the letter O and the letter A. O, goat in a boat. O, goat in a boat. What's our special friend sound? O, goat in a boat. Fantastic. Let's put our O into our little pack and we're going to read it super speedy. Just need to go and grab it quickly. Here it is. I left it on the other table. Right, so we're going to put it in our pack and we have to find it. And when we do, we need to shout, found you. Very good. A, E, found you. Special friends. Oh, goat in a boat. Very good. That was quick. Let's see if you can do these ones by yourself. You, special friend. O, goat in a boat. One more time. This time I'm going to do it super speedy. You ready? Found you, special friends. Oh, fantastic effort, everyone. Let's read some O words, shall we? So we need to find the special friends. We need to Fred talk it, and then we need to read the word. Let's have a look. Special friends O, Fred talk, oat, coat. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, boat. Special friends, Fred talk, throat. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, goat. Very good. Special friends, Fred talk, toast. Amazing. And last one, I think we've done this one, but we'll do it again. Special friends, Fred talk, boat. Excellent. Now this time I would like you to do Fred in your head when you are Fred talking. So let's find our special friends. Fred in our head. Better. Very good. Special friends. Fred in our head. Paint. And special friends. Fred in our head. Spurt. Very good reading, everybody. Let's do the same without alien nonsense words. Special friends. Fred in our head. Slewed. Special friends. Fred in our head. Turg. Special friends. Fred in our head. Gade. Is it Gade? It's Gabe. In the camera it's the opposite, so Gabe. Very good reading. Let's see if we can do some red words super speedy. One, me, some, my, Fantastic reading, everyone. Well done. It is now time for us to hold our sentence. So let's get our Fred fingers ready to count how many words we've got. So this one, first listen, is I had some toast with my roast. I had some toast with my roast. How many words? 7, that's right. Let's count them again. I had some toast with my roast. 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 You say it. Fantastic. Tell you're growing up. Let's cap it one more time. I had some toast with my roast. Very good, everyone. Okay, so now we are going to have a go at writing the sentence. So we need a capital letter I. We also need finger spaces. We also need a full stop. And our special friend sound for today is O. That's right. I had some toast with my roast. Capital letter I. A finger space, had, had. I had some, that's one of our red tricky words. S-O-M-E. I had some toast. T-O-S-T, toast. T-O-S-T. I had some toast with, with. I had some toast with my roast. 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 And I must not forget my full stop at the end of my sentence. Very good. Let's read it. I had some toast with my roast. Take a picture of it. Our sentence was, I had some toast with my roast. And now it is your turn to write it down in your neatest handwriting with beautiful capital letters and full stops and finger spaces. Get your grown-up to check your work and take a picture and send it to us. And have a lovely day.